Have you ever purchased an online training course and immediately wondered, okay, now what happens next? Well, maybe you're considering AdjusterPro Xactimate Training, but before you enroll, you want to know exactly what you'll receive, how the class works, and whether it's the right fit for the way you learn. Today, I'll walk you through what happens after you buy the course, and what you'll need before the class starts, and what you can expect during the training so you can decide if it's the right fit for the next steps in your adjusting career. Welcome back to the AdjusterPro channel. One of the most common questions we hear from students before they enroll in Xactimate training is, what happens after I purchase the course? That is a fair question. Learning Xactimate can feel intimidating when you're new to adjusting, and before investing your time and money, you probably want to know exactly what the experience looks like. So let's walk through the process from purchase to completion. After you register, the first thing you'll receive after purchasing the course is a series of emails with instructions for getting set up before class begins. These emails are important because they guide you through creating accounts, accessing software, and preparing your training environment. We strongly recommend completing these setup steps before your first class session. The course is designed to be hands-on, so being prepared ahead of time allows you to focus on learning instead of troubleshooting technical issues. You'll also receive access to a private Xactimate training environment, which means you don't need your own paid Xactimate subscription to participate. What the training format looks like. The training itself is delivered live online over 3 sessions. Rather than watching pre-recorded videos, you'll learn directly from an instructor in real time. This format allows you to ask questions throughout the course and benefit from the questions other students ask as well. Many students tell us that's one of the biggest advantages of live instruction. Instead of trying to figure out things on your own, you get the clarification immediately when something doesn't make sense. The course is taught by Nadine Basson, a level 3 Xactimate certified trainer with more than 20 years of adjusting experience and thousands of students trained. What you'll learn. During the course, you'll build a claim from start to finish inside Xactimate. You'll learn how to navigate the software, work with price lists, use Sketch, open claims, enter claim information, build rooms, add estimate items, organize photos, and complete an estimate. The goal isn't just to show you where the buttons are located. The goal is to help you understand the workflow adjusters use when creating estimates in the real world. By the end of the training, you should feel much more comfortable navigating Xactimate and building a basic estimate on your own. The course is also designed to help students prepare for Xactimate Level 1 and Level 2 certifications. Who this training is best for. This course is typically a great fit for newer adjusters, students preparing for certifications, and anyone who learns best through live instruction and hands-on practice. However, it's important to know what this course is not. If you're looking for an advanced Level 3 course, a fully self-paced program, or training focused only on the mobile apps, this may not be the best option for your goals. The course focuses primarily on foundational skills and practical application for new and developing adjusters. If you're considering Xactimate training and want live instruction, hands-on learning, and structured path through the software, check out the upcoming training dates, and I will link those below. You'll find course details, schedules, and answers to frequently asked questions to help you determine if this is the right fit for you. Learning Xactimate can seem overwhelming at first, but having the right training can make the process so much easier. Seriously, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video helps you get a better look into what the future holds for you and Xactimate. If you liked the video, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell to stay up to date on all things adjusting. Until then, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.